Now, most of the Apple fans, which includes me, are super excited about the release of the Mac Pro and the Apple Pro Display XDR. But things are about not to be exciting anymore, as I'm about to share with you guys some of the key things which make the Apple Pro Display XDR not worth the hype it has right now. Guess you remember the 32-inch 6K display companion to the Apple MacCheesee Grater Pro, right? Well, if you ordered one of these $5,000 beasts with the additional $1,000 nano-textured glass, Apple says you must exclusively use the clothes you will find in the box to clean it. The new Mac Pro 2019 and the accompanying Pro Display XDR are now available for sale with a support document called How to Clean Your Apple Pro Display XDR. Like seriously? Here is what annoys me, as Apple claims that you can't use any other type of cloth but the Apple dry polishing cloth, which sadly doesn't have any cool brand name like the Apple MagicWipe. Here is what the tech note says. Use only the dry polishing cloth that comes with your display to wipe dust or smudges off the screen. Don't add water or use any other liquids to clean the nano texture. If you do so, you will cause damage to the nano-textured coating. And if you lose the so-called Apple MagicWipe, sorry, I'm going with that, then you'll need to contact Apple to order for a replacement polishing cloth. Now, for those people who don't have Apple educators near you, like for example me, I'm from Africa, we're doomed, because if you want this beastie, then you have to wait for sure, because I don't even know if the replacement will be free or cost money. But I won't lie, I like the 6K display, but when it comes to something which is super allergic to water and also difficult to clean, plus it's super delicate as it doesn't fit everyday accident which happens at work, like for example someone spitting coffee on your working table in the morning, which means if that happens, glares will start appearing on your screen, which sucks. But anyway, here's the most important reason why Mac fans, including me, are super pissed about the Apple Pro Display XDR. The Pro Display XDR is a 32-inch 6-panel that results in a 218 points per inch relative resolution. Apple claims that it has a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, 1000 nits full screen sustained lightness, and 1600 nits of peak brightness, plus what Apple calls XDR or Extreme Dynamic Range that the Cupertino company claims that it goes beyond the standard HDR color range. And seriously, Apple is lying on this one, just hear me out. The company says that XDR uses 10 bits to define color, but that's also what the HDR10 does. So I have no clue what's the difference with the HDR10 except having a cool name and a price tag as its extreme branding. Once again, the display with the nano texture glass costs $6,000 and the Pro stand itself is an additional $1,000, but you can clean that with any old cloth you want. Also, if you choose a VESA mount adapter, that's only $200 extra. At that price range, you better follow Apple's cleaning instructions down. Now that's it in today's video, and if you think this video was informative, please drop likes on this video because I wanna know what videos you like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share your thoughts in the comment section right below about what you think. If the Apple Pro Display XDR is cool to buy, or you would rather buy the HDR10 display. And with that said, till next time, bye.